Alright, welcome back all on our continuing adventures of Will It Laser. This is a aluminum business card that's pretty thick. I don't know, stands up. You can bend them pretty easy, but it's like a painted coating, black painted coating on a piece of really thin aluminum. So we're going to try again. Will It Laser. Aluminum business cards. Thanks for stopping by, guys. Okay. Yeah, that works really nice, actually. I know the light's in it. I'm trying to get a good. Yeah, that's cool. If you actually wipe it just a little bit, you can see how it takes off the paint, and it shines even more when you do that. So yeah, there you go, Will It Laser. Aluminum business cards. Thanks for stopping by, guys. More to come.